Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, last webcast of 2016. I love January, February, March trading, so I'm excited. The last couple of days, though, they brought some ranges, they brought some excitement. So Wednesday we did the 67 to 47. Last time we talked, we were testing the daily mid-band. Now, the bears were able to trade down as low as 22.39 in the 22.39 area, but what they weren't able to do was to hold 43 on a closing basis. If they do that, then it takes out of play the potential for 42.43 to be this double bottom support type of a thing. What they did was very similar to what they did on FOMC day when they reacted to 43 below 47. They couldn't hold 47 at that time on a closing basis, and they paid the price with a move all the way back up to test the 73 high. What this move has the potential to do is go back up and probably test, say, weekly pivot. I'm currently long 43.75. Because they could not take out and close out 43. And on the stuff that we do in the room, 22.50 was open for us, and so we went ahead and we got in the trade, and we traded as high as 52.75 last night. They pulled it back into the 47s, but effectively what they did this morning was they pulled this back to test the daily mid-band at 22.47 even. That's trying to hold right now, and we're back up trading 51 half. So let's take a look at, here's the hourly chart. So this is all of the failed attempts here, here, and here to convert 22.67 half to support. It continued to be resistance. We had the big push down on Wednesday. Take it back up. We touched 50 right off of the open. Bears defend it very well. Very well. After having 42.43 go support and have potential double bottom, and having it move above the daily mid band and then print 50, all the bulls had to do yesterday was print one more higher high in the morning, and they would be off to the races. They couldn't do it, and bears took advantage. So it was a very impressive day from the bears until the last, couple of hours, where we go down and we do this 39 half, and we come back up and we try to print and hold 43s as resistance, but it just can't do it. We end up closing above, and then you can see very quickly in the overnight last night, daily pivot went support in the first few hours. We went ahead and we did a higher high versus the Thursday high at 50, and now we pull back to the mid-band on the hourly chart, and now they're trying to do another higher high as we speak. So the bears fell into the same trap, at least as of 8 a.m. this morning when I'm taping this. They've fallen into the same trap where they do some good things, but they can't finish. The best way for the bears to get a move in this market that's going to go somewhere over an extended period of time and make bulls uncomfortable is to go ahead and convert that daily mid-band to resistance and continue to take out the prior day low. It doesn't have to be violent. It doesn't have to be Wile E. Coyote off a cliff. It can just be stairs down, but you have to continue to take the stairs down. Now, maybe January is the opportunity for this market to retrace back into the area of the 200-day, 100-day exponential moving averages. It's been a while, and I don't think it would be unhealthy to do that. But what I'm looking at today is, can the bulls hold daily mid-band as support? If so, weekly pivot is going to open up pretty quickly. Okay? If daily mid-band goes resistance, and you have to keep an eye on it because the bands constantly move. Right now it's about 47. If that area, if the daily mid-band goes resistance and it starts to make lower lows, you could see a retest of 39 today. So I'm going to use the daily mid-band kind of as my bull bear line, or whatever you want to call it. I want to be long above it. I want to be short below it. All right. Have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic new year. Follow us on Twitter at Princetontrader. Come check out our website, Princetontrader.com, and come take a free trial in our chat room. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.